Now, if you're thinking about doing any tiling, you must visit a Topps Tiles store because they have a massive, massive range to look at and inspire you. A lot of them are exclusive, like this one. I mean, you're not going to find them anywhere else, and that's quite rare actually for a tile shop. But also, when it comes to tiles, you need to touch them and see them, and they have samples in the store that you can do that with. Not only that, they've got lots of photography to really get your head around how it's going to look. At Topps Tiles, they've got this fantastic tool which is a visualizer where you can choose from a series of blank room sets and then choose the tiles you want from around the store and pop them into the picture so that you can visualize exactly how that room is going to look when you put the combination of tiles that you've chosen. When you find a tile that you like, what people often do is think, well, I like this tile and I'm going to use this and I'm just going to lay it on the floor and I know where I am, or lay it on the walls. But actually, the really clever thing is to use different tiles in different combinations, but it's very difficult to imagine that. So it's better to come into a Topps Tiles store where you can get the samples of all the different tiles and then you can put them together and you can mix and match and you can lay them out and see how the combination of those tiles would look. The other thing they have here, which I really love, is they have a design your own brochure service, which means that when you come in, all the sales assistants are really well trained to help you make all these decisions, and they've experience of how you can lay the tiles in different ways. So they will go round the store with you with an iPad, and when you go round and like something, they'll put it into your brochure, then they'll email it to you. That means that you have a brochure specifically designed for you with only the things you like in it, and you don't have to flick through any pages of stuff that you don't like. That is brilliant. Once you've chosen your tiles, then you need to decide about the grout. Now, it makes a big difference what width you have the grout, but also what colour the grout is. So here at Topps Tiles, they've got a fantastic selection of grout sample sticks. So you can see here, it can be this colour, but if you change it to this colour, it's a totally new look. Now, don't forget your trim choice as well. You don't have to go for the boring white plastic trim. At Topps Tiles, there's an enormous selection to choose from, and that can dramatically change the way the room looks.